Assalamu Alikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are visiting Montana Fried Chicken in Oldham. The place has a food hygiene rating of 5. Welcome back everyone. We ordered the peri peri flame burger meal with chips and drink. This burger was very unique, didn't taste like any other peri burger that I've had before. This is one of my go-tos now, and I consider this to be a hidden gem because I could only find 5 reviews online, and this place has 5 on the food hygiene rating. It was very clean and tidy inside, and none of my friends or family have ever mentioned this place, so I'm thinking not a lot of people probably know about it. So if you live in Oldham or you are in the Greater Manchester area, I highly recommend that you visit this place. You won't be disappointed by the food that these guys are producing, especially this flame burger meal was off the hook, amazing. Customer service on point. Seating area, there's no seating area. The catering towards only pickup and delivery. So I highly recommend that you visit the place. And guys, if you like the video and the content, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Jazakallahu khairan, and I will see you on the next one.